Welcome to this section, where you will learn how to make the complete stealth point-and-click adventure game, The Great Fleece. Our game takes place in the Beatrice Auction House, our fictional environment filled with jewels and security guards, where our player must navigate across the room to reach their objective, the main vault. We'll be using highly polished 3D assets and animations, which will really make your game stand out from your average 3D course here on Udemy. Throughout this game, you'll learn the skill set required to make cutscenes in Unity, as well as learn what features were used to build the awesome environment we'll be working in. This section will teach you how to create a point-and-click controller from scratch, build intelligent AI behavior, familiarize yourself with lighting and post-processing effects, and of course, how to develop beautiful interactive cutscenes that can help tell a story in your games. There will be several interactive challenges that will help you demonstrate the knowledge learned and complete this game by developing your own unique codebase that's unique to you. We'll wrap up this game by creating an entire menu system, loading bar, and beginning cutscene that would tell a story to our player so they know what to do when the game starts. There's a lot to cover in this game, so let's get started.